Hey guys, welcome back. So recently I bought a canvas art book and I'd be painting the cover today. It's a very basic melon and lemon print. I've been busy these days and that's the reason I have not been uploading video, but I do try to be, a bit active on YouTube. So I'm sorry for that. If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. And if you want me to paint anything, you can comment. I would love to paint things out. After I was done with this painting, I sort of added details with white pen, which I forgot to show in the video. Let me know if you like this video.